When you need something done right, you want a skilled professional. But how do you know they have the right training and the competency to properly apply that training? Making the wrong decision can cost you time and money, and you still haven't met your need. So, what about SolidWorks? As an instructor, you want your students to graduate with a good education and job-ready skills. But how do you prove your proficiency as a SolidWorks instructor? As a student, how do you prove your knowledge of SolidWorks to future employers and get the job of your dreams? And whether you're an instructor or student, how do you know you've learned the material? Enter SolidWorks Certification. SolidWorks student and instructor certifications give you a benchmark to verify knowledge and skill with SolidWorks software. With SolidWorks Certification, you can easily demonstrate your expertise to the SolidWorks community, show your dedication to professional development, and put yourself ahead of your competition. The SolidWorks Academic Certification Provider Program is an industry-standard engineering design competency program that gives students and instructors a competitive advantage and a way to demonstrate their expertise with SolidWorks. SolidWorks Certification, innovative and effective learning, industry-standard accreditation, the skills and expertise to do the job of your dreams. To learn more about SolidWorks Education Solutions, contact solidworks.education@3ds.com or your local value-added reseller. Or visit our website at www.solidworks.com/SWEDU-certification.